to be working on this kingfisher mold. It's a lovely mold, and I'm excited to see how this will turn out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight these raised portions with an acrylic marker, and then I'm going to apply chameleon pigment powder for the sheen and then back it off with a dark color. So let's get started. There's a lot of static here, which is it's getting pulled away. I think I should have started with the lightest color first, because now removing, I wanted whitish color here, but now removing those specks would be a little tricky. I prefer to use makeup sponges for this kind of work, but this mold is very small, and I'll not get the same level of dexterity which I'm getting with the brush. For if this were a larger mold, I would definitely be using those sponges. You can see how the static is pulling the pigment away when I'm coming near this mold with my brush. I'm going to use this color for the body. This part is going to be tricky. I already have a little bit of powder. I really don't know how to remove that. Maybe I can try. Next time I do such a kind of work, I'm going to use I'm going to cover them up with masking tape. Now I'm going to just ease off this color with a little bit of this pigment and just a little bit of white.
The volume of this mold is approximately 7 milliliters. However, I am mixing 20 milliliters of resin because the minimum marking that I can measure accurately on the container is 10 ml. I will have extra resin which I will use to prep for some future projects. I will show you how a little later into the video. While the resin is degassing, I am going to put aside some resin. The body of the kingfisher is blue. However, I will add a little more indigo to the mix to make it darker, so that it is a little more effective offset for the chameleon powder which I am using. Ideally, I would like to use black behind it, but I don't want a black kingfisher. This is a little white and black pigment which I am adding to the resin I put aside earlier. I'm just gonna mix them and put them aside and prep for a few projects to be done later. A couple of holiday earrings and keychains. I have added the link to those projects in the description below.
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two,
It is
get some
time
good, some food in
to
you.
demold this. Very excited about it. I hope the beak has come out well because this was so thin. So let's start. Going to gently pull the mold away from the edges because I don't want to break it.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Okay, that came out easily. And let's start with this. Oh, the beak is sharp, very sharp. There's a little bit of fringe here which I think can come off easily. And oh, I can see the detailing already. Okay, the mold is clean, which means the color is all on this. And let's see how this has worked out. Da-da! Din, 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 din. Oh, oh, I love it. I love it. This is gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Finish this off by doming and then this will be good to go. Probably not as a keychain because it has too many jagged edges and somebody could get hurt. The reason I don't want to use it as a charm or a keychain is because, for example, this edge could easily break off. Oh, but the colors have come out very close. Though I had expected a little bit of dimension to these pigments. However, that probably didn't happen because I used blue and these two colors already have a blue base. So maybe if I had used black instead, it might have turned out differently. And but all in all, this is very nice. This has come out very nicely now that it is domed. All the different colors are showing up much better. And I'm going to make this into an outdoor ornament. So I've already got this bell. All I need to do is put the connector in and we are done. Voila! This will be my suncatcher.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and have a wonderful day.